Hi again, guys. I just want to review this 2-digit by 1-digit multiplying assignment that I gave you guys. So the first question we went over already on the previous video. It was 27 times 4 is 108. So 42 divided by 5. I did this first part of the work for you. I said, well, let's divide 42 into 40 and 2 so it's separate. So now 40 times 5. Well, 4 times 5 is 20. So 40 times 5 would be 200, and then 2 times 5 is 10. So if we add those numbers together, 200 plus 10, that's 210. Number 3, 38 times 6. I gave you the box, but I haven't put the numbers in for you yet. Okay, so 38 would be 30 and 8, and we'll multiply both those numbers by 6. So 30 times 6, well 3 times 6 is 18, so that means 30 times 6 would be 180. 8 times 6 is 48. So now if we add those numbers together, 180 plus 48, that would be 228. Number 4, so we're moving to the next page. 86 times 2. Well, this would be 80 and 6, and multiply both those numbers by 2. So 8 times 2 is 16, so 80 times 2 would be 160. 6 times 2 is 12. We add those numbers together, 160 plus 12 would be 172. 64 times 6. If I wanted to make the box for this one here, I would just make the box. And this could be something you do on a separate piece of paper. It wouldn't be necessarily something you'd want to do into the document. It might be a little bit hard to install, just technical wise, but you might just do it as a separate piece of paper. 64 times 6. So 64 would become 60 and 4, and you're going to multiply both those numbers by 6. 6 times 6 is 36, so 60 times 6 would be 360. 4 times 6 is 24, so if we add those together, 360 plus 24 is 384. Okay. And last one, 52 times 9. If you don't want to make the box and you just want to separate it out, you can say, well, that's 50 times 9 and 2 times 9. Okay. And then you would have, 5 times 9 is 45, so 50 times 9 would be 450. 2 times 9 is 18, so we're just going to add those numbers together, and we have 468. Remember to make a couple of your own questions so you can keep getting more practice at it. All right, guys. Hopefully that helps you. Have a good day.